Hey everyone, it's Blissful Spaces here, and today is an extraordinary, exciting day in the world of my indoor, well, in this case, outdoor houseplant gardening. You see this little beauty right here, right here. My string of heart plant truly stolen my heart. I can't believe it. For a while, I never thought that I would see it bloom. But patience pays off in the plant world. Yes, ma'am. Look at this beauty. She is flowering. These tiny little burgundy flowers are little nature's little gems, and they've been gracing my space for a little while now. Yes, I stumbled on it. I came out to sweep the front porch after a few hours in my kitchen garden. I decided to come to the front yard and just to kind of look and see what is going on with my house plants that I potted in my pots. I started them in the beginning of the spring. These things were so tiny, but look at them. You see them? It's like a burst of happiness in my day. What a wonderful day. And here I'm just sharing my variegated string of hearts, and these are precious. Back to the blooms. Just look at them. Oh my goodness. I've been nurturing these beauties for quite some time now, and I must admit, I had them indoors and it seems like they were struggling. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and put them outside, and I'm so glad that I did. Seeing them bloom is a testament to the love and care we give our plants. Everyone that enjoys indoor plants and outdoor plants, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They are our plant babies. I'm showing you the variegated string of hearts. I'm super excited. These things were so small when I propagated them. And yes, I started them from the clippings, and just look at all that growth. It reminds me that life is all about those little moments of bliss, just like these delicate flowers. and with love and care, they too can flourish beyond our wildest dreams. That's it for today, folks, in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this transformation story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Blissful Spaces for more plant adventures and gardening. Yes, vegetable gardening. I have so many video updates that I want to share with you. Until next time, keep blooming and always stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you in my next garden video. Blessings. Look at this beauty. Comment down below and let me know how your plants are doing. Blessings.